Hi everyone, and welcome back to our Google Colab series. In the last video, we introduced you to Google Colab and its amazing features. Today, we will take things a step further and set up your very first notebook. You will learn how to name your notebook, write your first Python code, and run it all in Google Colab. So, let's get started. So, today, we will be setting up our first notebook. So, first step will be we will go to the website called collab.research.google.com, or we can just do a Google search for Google Colab, and we will get the same link collab.research.google.com, and we can click here. Here we have gone through this before also. Here we can create new notebooks simply by clicking on this plus icon, but there is one more way. We will go to the file section here in the home tab of Google Colab, and we can create a new notebook in Drive. It will be created, and we can also do open a notebook, which will again we can open our notebook from Google Drive, GitHub, or also we can upload from the local system also. Here our file has is created and title 4 is the name, so we can change the name to our new Python. Now we will look at few things like save, how we can do undo, and how we can add cell, and what is code cells, what is markdown cells, and many other things related to the notebook interface. So once we create our notebook, we will notice the interface is very clean and intuitive. At the top, we will find a toolbar where we can get the option of save, undo, and add cell. So here in the file section, we can see save a copy in Drive. This will save a new copy in our Google Drive, and this save part will update this page. If we don't save anything also, this is a cloud-based ID, so everything is on auto save mode. So we really don't need to save. But if we want to save a copy, another copy in Drive or in GitHub, we can do that. We can also open new notebook or a pre-existing notebook from our Google Drive or directly from our local computer from this upload notebook. Okay, and this open notebook, we will be going to this page, and upload is this. Okay, so no confusion. In the edit section, we can see undo also, and in the insert section, we can see a code cell or a text cell. Okay, and here we can see runtime, where there are many options. Change runtime type, where we will find we can also change our Python to R. We can change this Google Collaboratory language to R also. We will keep it Python 3, and here hardware accelerator, like if we use see current session, it is just giving me a warning, and if I press OK, it will do, but I will avoid it for now, and we will remain keep it CPU. It will use our CPU, and this comes with Gemini also. Here you can see Google AI. Enter. You can write me a code to add 10 numbers, 10 natural numbers. Okay. It has given me the code here, and I can either paste it or this prompt I can use here to generate, and it will generate the code for me directly. See, if we run this, sum of the first 10 natural number is 55. So here we will be writing our first code. So what we will do, we will go here and just for practice we will add a code cell here and write a code here. Okay, my our first code. So generally first code is print, very simple. Okay, print hello world. In the next video we will see code versus markdown cells and how to use them effectively. And if you find this YouTube video helpful, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Thank you and Jai Hind.